How to assemble the weather station. Firstly, attach the head unit to the top of the PSU box using one of the screws provided. Secure the screw using the Allen key. Stations that are the satellite version. Attach the satellite to the right of the PSU box with the solar panel facing you. Secure with screw provided. When you receive your weather station, please remove the plastic cover with the sticker off the solar panel, in order for it to receive proper sunlight. How to switch your weather station on. You can do this before or after you attach it to a pole. Open up the lid from the PSU box. Inside you'll see a battery and PSU board. Start by plugging in the battery. Make sure the wires are red to red and black to black. Next, press the Start button on the PSU board and then plug in the wind sensor into the second plug from the left. The status light will come on before going off and then will flash every couple seconds. The light on the left beside the Start button indicates the solar panel. Reattach the lid onto the PSU box by sliding the top part first, then push down to secure. Using one of the screws provided in the setup pack and the Allen key, gently and tightly secure the screw above the blanking clamp. How to set up your weather station onto a pole. Start by attaching one cable tie to the head unit onto the pole. Next, you'll attach one cable tie to the blanking clamp, which is beneath the PSU box. Lastly, you will attach the rain gauge using the last two cable ties. Make sure to tightly secure each cable tie and to cut off the excess cable tie.